my life, yeah, that life, yeah, me live, yeah, me love it, me live it up. But mine is not big enough, jealousy killing, please do not give it up.
You guys on Instagram have been asking for this style, and I first saw it on Chev. I'm not sure what her full name is, but I'll link her channel below. I saw it on her and I loved it, and this is my whole version of it, so I hope you guys enjoy. So here you go, sis.
Yeah, life I'm living now, but mine is not big enough. Yeah, life I'm living now. Live it up. Yeah. The life I'm life, yeah, the life I'm live, yeah, me love it, me live it up. But mine is not big enough, jealousy killing, please do not give it up. Life of my life, yeah, the life I'm live, yeah, me love it, me live it up. But mine is not big enough, jealousy killing, killing. The life I'm living now, I cannot give it up. My talk is big enough. Jingle, real talk, most of them fake. That's why me not deal with most of them. Pose at them. Boy, watch him girl like a Doberman. No say him girl, I'm a Dover. Me take with boy girl, I'm notorious. First in my lane, yes, I'm glorious. That's why your girl, I'm a Dover. Me call off my phone, what she know for do. She fall in love just like overnight dog. Ring, text, over bright dog. Please tell your girl say she over right dog. She come over big gap. Ring, text, overnight dog. Yeah, she over right dog. My life, yeah, the life, yeah, me live, yeah, me love it, me live it up. Love it. But mine is not big enough, jealousy killing them, please do not give it up. My life, yeah, the life, yeah, me live, yeah, me love it, me live it up. Jealousy killing. A life I'm living now, I cannot give it up. My talk is big enough. Girl, do what you want fit to fashion over, yeah, you're cleaning up. Talk about love, but not know what she meaning. Just know me real enough. Yeah, but my life, I'm but mine telling time after time. She said she miss me said the same thing. She said she like it, that's why she want me. Girl, you so honest. But my life, I'm but mine, telling time after time. My life, yeah, that life, yeah, me live, yeah, me love it, me live it up. But mine is not big enough, jealousy killing, please do not give it up. My life, yeah, that life, yeah, me live, yeah, me love it, me live it up. Jealousy killing. Yeah, that life, yeah, me living. But mine is not big enough. Yeah, life I'm living. Live it. Yeah. But mine is not big enough. Yeah, life I'm living. Live it. Yeah, life I'm living now. But mine is not big enough. Yeah, life I'm living now. Live it up. Yeah. The life I'm yeah, the life I'm live, yeah, me love it, me live it up. But mine is not big enough, jealousy killing, please do not give it up. Life of my life, yeah, the life I'm live, yeah, me love it, me live it up. But mine is not big enough, jealousy killing. The life I'm living now, I cannot give it up. My talk is big enough. Jingle, real talk, most of them fake. That's why me not deal with most of them. Pose at them. Boy, watch him girl like a Doberman. No say him girl, I'm a Dover. Me take with boy girl, I'm notorious. First in my lane, yes, I'm glorious. That's why your girl, I'm a Dover. Me call off my phone, what she know for do. She fall in love just like overnight dog. Ring, text, over bright dog. Please tell your girl, say she over right dog. She come over, big girl. Ring, text, overnight, dog. Yeah, she over right, dog. My life, yeah, the life, yeah, me live, yeah, me love it, too. Love it. But mine is not big enough, jealousy killing them. Please do not give it up. My life, yeah, the life, yeah, me live, yeah, me love it, too. Jealousy killing them. A life I'm living now, I cannot give it up. My talk is big enough. Girl, do what you want fit to fashion.
Okay guys, so it's the next day and I let my hair set overnight. I took my scarf down this morning. I'm actually going out today, so we're just gonna finish the style. So I'm gonna take my crochet hair like that and like stretch it out. And then I'm going to attach it with a scrunchie. Okay, my rubber band broke, so that gives me the perfect chance to show you guys how to do it again. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my scrunchie and kind of loop it around the hair like this, like that, like a slingshot, and then I pull one side through the other side. Okay, let me tighten it a little bit, and then you have, oop, damn, these are so cheap. Wow, these are so cheap. They were like $2 for the pack, but they are not good quality at all. Okay, so let's try this a third time. So we have like another little rubber band here after we tie the knot. So we're gonna use that one to create like the ponytail. And I put some height to my hair because I wanted to come up a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I mean. So you just literally attach the ponytail with the ponytail holder just like this, and the only thing you want to make sure is like, where do you want your hair to fall? Like, you want it to fall back here, over here. I don't know, I'm liking this side actually. Okay, so we want to cover our little bump right here, so I'm just gonna like wrap the hair around my real hair, and then I'm gonna take some more ponytail holders and just create some height on my hair. I just thought I would come on and show you this part in case the video got a little bit boring. But yeah, let me know your feedback in the comments. Do you like the hands-on type of tutorial? Or do you like when I explain it or just go through it? Alright, so I'm going to attach the top like this just to create that height. Alright, so I put the ponytail holder at the top of where my real hair is. So we solved one problem, now we have another problem to solve. So I'm just going to put some more rubber bands here just to kind of tighten it. Wow, this is looking good already. As you can see, you don't really have to do anything else. This looks perfect actually. A little flake here. This actually looks perfect. I don't know if I should keep it like this. Yes, you guys. No, I'm gonna do the style I was gonna do with the bubbles. But as you can see, that's literally it if you want to keep it like that. Or if you want to try different styles over time, you can just wear it like this for a little bit, and then you can try the other things I'm about to show you.
My life, yeah, the life, yeah, me live, yeah, me love it, too. Love it. But mine is not big enough, jealousy killing them. Please do not give it up.
Okay, I think that's the best I can do because y'all know my hair never behaves in front of company. It looks okay right now. I think it looks okay. I just wanted to secure that. So now you can, you can put it all the way back like that. Give you a little side pony. other side pony. So a style I've always wanted to try is bubbles. I wanted to like use ponytails with my real hair, but I didn't get a chance to yet. So I found the perfect opportunity to use these. So I'm gonna just attach these and then see what happens. They're like the more bigger ones. I have some clear ones and I have some white ones. You can do these on one try, so I'm gonna attach it one time. I'm really, oh my gosh. So y'all see how hair accessories can like really give you that extra oomph, that zhuzh. It's supposed to be zhuzh, but y'all know, what's her name? Y'all know Jasmine Masters, she says zhuzh. So get your zhuzh. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna add more because why not? I do it so y'all don't have to. Alright, so I'm gonna put another one. Honestly, one was super cute. Okay, how did I do? Too much? Too much? Let's add another one. I don't like the white one. I might take out the white one. What y'all think? I feel like the white one looks tacky. I don't know. Alright, so let's take this one off and let's take the white one off. It might be my outfit or whatever. I'm super basic today, so white probably doesn't go with it. Maybe if I was wearing some bright colors it might work, but I feel like this is perfect. Okay, so here's the final look, guys. I want y'all to rate this style from 1 to 10. I'm trying to see if you can literally just take a couple bucks and get you a nice cute style. So yeah guys, in the comment section leave me a rating of this hair and let me know what you think about it. Alright guys, so I just wanted to address something before I go. Now, I legit expected to use like 1 pack of hair for this style, which I usually do. I usually like take a pack and some leftover hair and I just put that in. However, I have to say, you guys, that you know like when you put your hair in a ponytail and just like crochet over it, like the braidless ponytail, you don't need that much hair because you don't have to hide anything. Like your hair kind of covers the color, so you're not trying to hide braids. So essentially what I'm saying is like with the braidless crochet method, like you don't really use that much hair, and I never use that much hair. But you guys see like all this hair is super full, and that's because I had to, you know, cover the braids. So I had to have enough hair for each braid. And so that really added up, you guys. So I ended up using like 3 packs of hair, maybe more. Also, what I wasn't expecting was to run out of hair so quickly. I got 1 pack and I didn't think it would be a problem, but I ended up using like old, not old crochet hair, but like other crochet hair I had. But some of the hair is even like smaller. It's like a tighter curl, like this one. You guys see this one? You guys see this tight one here? It's not as loose as the other ones, but nonetheless you kind of see how it looks super natural and it looks realistic. So I'm not tripping about that, except the fact that like the hair I usually use, I could have sworn it came with more hair. So this is how much hair came on it, like that, and then you divide it into 2. This is actually one of the fluffier pieces in the pack, but I don't know, it seemed like they put like half as much hair. This is actually not a good example, but like I didn't have that much hair, and I don't know if it's because they put like half as much in the pack. So just a fair warning, you guys, if you're gonna just put your hair in a ponytail real quick and just do the front and then crochet it onto the ponytail, then yeah, you just need like 2 packs to be safe. But I ended up using like a lot. I mean, it's a good thing I always have hair on deck, but it won't be a good thing if you're trying to go somewhere, you get a pack expecting it to do this quick style and then you ain't got no hair. And that defeats the whole purpose of this being quick. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that if you want big hair, get you a few packs. And yeah, so it could be like probably like $6 up to like $20. So you do have some flexibility there with how much you want to spend and what kind of style you get. So, and also you guys, last time when I styled it, I did the gold rope. So if you use like ribbons or like roping, it will kind of hold this part up. So you can kind of put it as high as you want, or it could like conceal this part. I don't really care how it looks, but you might. So yeah, you can always use the roping like I used, or you can decorate it with other things other than like the bubbles. So hope you have fun with this style, you guys. Go crazy, do whatever you want. So I'm actually not sure what side I like better yet, but I have enough time to figure it out. So I hope you guys like this super cheap, super quick style. So if you have a daughter or niece, this will fit her perfectly. Like if you have like a special occasion to go to, or if you want to make it last for school, you can just do like a crochet in the back and like put it in a little ponytail. And yeah, she's good to go, honey. And this is my whole version of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you thumbs it up and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.